And today I will show you how to make bánh bột lọc Huế, one of the traditional delicacy in Vietnam. And now let's go! First of all, let's make the dumpling filling. Okay, we're gonna cut pork belly into small pieces. You know that you can use shrimps with or without shell, but from a perspective, you should peel shrimps. And then cut each shrimp into 2 pieces. Next, let's make the Annatto oil. In a saucepan over medium-low heat, we're gonna add the Annatto seeds. And then add 3 tablespoons oil and stir constantly until the oil becomes like a rich orange-red color. So it's gonna take about 3 minutes. And don't forget to keep an eye on it. So once the oil reaches an orange-red color, they're gonna be moving now from the heat. Please do not overheat, or you will turn your seeds back, or your oil will be unusable. So we're gonna go ahead and strain oil on a bowl. That's what I had available. And then after we strain, we discard the seeds very carefully. We're gonna heat 3 tablespoons Annatto oil and fry 3 tablespoons minced onion till fragrant. Add the pork in and stir well. Then add the shrimps in too. And don't forget to add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, and simmer it for about 15 minutes until it turns like this. Okay, moving to the next step. Let's make the dough. Put 800 gram tapioca starch in a big bowl. and then pour 800 ml boiling water into this bowl. And knead it. Be careful because it's extremely hot. Keep doing it until the dough is smooth, soft, but elastic. How about making banana leaves for wrapping dumplings? Okay, let's wash them clearly. Then dip the banana leaves into hot water for a few minutes to sterilize and soften up. Tear them into 4 or 5 inches. You should trim off the top parts of the leaf so it's easier to wrap. And we also need some strings to tie the dumplings together later. Let's make some dipping fish sauce. Boil the shells of shrimps for about 3 minutes. Strain the solution on the bowl and remove the shell. We also need minced garlic and chilli. In the pot, we're gonna add 6 tablespoons fish sauce, 8 tablespoons sugar, and 12 tablespoons solution above. Then boil till it be well skimmed to the consistency of a thick syrup. Remember the basic ratio: 3 fish sauce, 4 sugar, and 6 water. Finally, mix them in the following order. And the remaining fish sauce is placed in a glass bottle and stored in a refrigerator. Last but not least, let's make the dumplings. Now press the piece of banana leaf on a flat surface with the dark side. Spread about 1 tablespoon of the paste in the center of the leaf. The paste is very sticky, so you might get frustrated. But don't worry. And then place 1 caramelized rum and a slice of pork and shrimp in the middle. Then fold both sides in and grab it up in the following video. You know, it takes patience to grab the dumplings in a small size, but you really don't want to put so much paste in one dumpling because it's very chewy, and if it's too big, it's very difficult to swallow. Tie dumplings together as a pair, and then steam for 20 to 25 minutes for dipping. With those kinds of ingredients, I made more than 100 dumplings, and it's absolutely phenomenal. So now it's your turn. Well, let's do it.